Hey, what's going on guys, my name is Fahad. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this amazing hover effect by using Elementor page builder. So initially here we can see 3 cards and an image at the background. So here if I hover on the first card, you see the background image has been changed and the content revealed here. Same with the second card, also with the third card. So content has been revealed and background image has been changed. I will show you how to do it very easily just by using Elementor. So without further ado, let's now go inside Elementor page builder. Alright, so here let's first take a container, and here I'm taking this structure. Now first of all, I'm just making the minimum height in VH, and let's make it 100 VH. And I wanna make all the inner content of this container to be vertically and horizontally centered. That's why I'm making the justify content to centered, align items to centered as well. Now let's just give it a background color. So from here I'm giving it background color #FFF9F9. Now within this container, I wanna take another inner container, so click on this plus icon. Here let's drag this container. Basically this would be the main parent container. Within this container we will take 3 child container or 3 inner containers. Okay, so first of all let's just select this container, and I'm making the content width to full width, and from here width let's just make it to 75%. Then here minimum height I'm making it to 400 pixel, and also I'm making the items direction to row, because all the inner child container I want them one by one horizontally, and also I don't want any gap between the child containers. For that reason here I'm making the gap between elements to 0 pixel. Alright, now I wanna add a background image with it, so go under style tab. From here, from the background, let's add an image. So here I'm just selecting this yoga image. Let's select it, and I just want to do some positioning. So from here I'm just making it to bottom center, repeat to no repeat, and display size let's make it to cover. Then I want to make their corners rounded, so from here scroll down, open the border, and let's add 16 pixel of border radius. And we can add some box shadow as well. So from here I'm adding the blur value to 40, and the spread value I'm adding here -10. So right now it's looking like it. And then let's just go under advanced tab. First of all I'm just unlinking the padding. So right now all the padding value is set to 0, but I want to add them only left and right. So on the left and right I'm adding 10 pixel of padding. Okay, now here within this container I want to take 3 inner or child containers, so click on this plus icon, and from here I'm dragging this inner container here. Now I just want to duplicate it a couple more times, so duplicate it and also duplicate it one more time. So within the parent container we have here 3 inner containers. Now let's just start with the middle one, so I'm selecting the middle container, and similar like before I'm just making the justify content and align items to centered. Also I want to add some breathing space, so from under advanced tab here I'm adding 25 pixel of padding. Now let's add some elements, so click on this plus icon here. First I'm dragging an heading, and right after the heading let's add a text editor widget here just underneath the heading, and right after that let's add a button widget underneath the paragraph here. Now let's just quickly do some styling. So here I'm just writing a dummy text. Maybe we wanted to say cardio. Now from styling let's just make its color to white, and from typography we can make the font family to Poppins font like this. Then let's style this paragraph. So here first of all I'm just pasting some dummy text, and from under style tab let's make the alignment to centered. Also I'm making its color to white color. And then with this button let's just select it, and from here instead of click here I want it to say learn more, and go under style tab because I don't want any background color. So from here I'm just making the bottom bar to the left so it's completely transparent, and from here let's make the padding to 0. Alright, so our layout is almost ready. Now I just wanna duplicate this middle container, so from here let's duplicate it. Also let's duplicate it one more time, and we can delete the empty container from right side. Also let's delete the empty container from left side. Okay, now have a look here. We can see 3 curves, but we can actually change this heading so we can have a real feel. So the second one we can say it lifting, and the third one we can say it yoga. Also I want to do another thing to show them separated, I want to add a border at the left and right side of the middle container. So let's select it, go under its style tab. From here, open the border, and here border type, I'm making it to solid. And I just want to give the border at the left and right side. So from here, unlink it. At the left and right, I'm adding 2 pixels of border width, and let's set the border color to white, and I'm making it a bit transparent like this. Now if I minimize the bar, right now it looks perfect. So here basically we will create 2 types of animation together. So first of all, only this heading will be displayed here, and we won't have this paragraph and this button text. Then when you hover on any card, this paragraph and button text will be revealed. So this is one kind of animation we want to add with each of these box or cards. And another animation, that would be when we will hover on any single card, this background image will be changed with each of them. So let's now do the first animation, which is text revealing animation. So let's just open the bar from left side. Now from here, you see there is a parent container, and here we have got 3 inner containers. So make sure you have selected the parent container, this one. Let's just scroll down from under its advanced tab, open the custom CSS field. By the way, custom CSS is only available on Elementor Pro. I will put my Elementor Pro affiliate link in the description. So if you want, you can purchase Elementor Pro through my affiliate link. Okay, now here within this custom CSS field, we need to write a little bit of custom CSS code. But no worries, because I already have written that code for you. All you need to do, you just need to go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. So from that page, if you just scroll down a little bit, you see it says content show or hide CSS. So from here, I'm just copying this CSS snippet. So just this snippet, I'm just copying it from here. Let's go inside Elementor page builder, and I'm pasting the CSS snippet inside of this field. At this moment, we cannot see any change here because we need to add a class name with each of these inner containers. So first of all, I'm just selecting this inner container. Now from under its advanced tab, here you will find the option for adding CSS classes. So here I'm adding the class name, which would be single dash card. You see, as soon as we have added the single card, here we can only see the heading. And if we now hover on this card, you see we can see the paragraph has revealed, also this button has been revealed. So now we can actually just copy this class name. Let's now select the second container from under its advanced tab. Let's scroll down, and here I'm adding the CSS class. Also with the third one, let's go under its advanced tab, and I'm adding the class name here as well. So initially there is no other content, we can only see the heading, but when you hover here, the detailed content is revealed in this place. But if you notice, you see there is a little problem with the hover like this. They are jumping around because this content is now overlapping. Okay, so to avoid that, just select this inner container. Now go under its layout tab. From here, scroll down within the additional options. We need to make the overflow value to hidden. So do the same with all inner containers. With this one, select it, go under layout tab. From here, make the overflow value to hidden. Also with the first inner container, this one, go under layout. From here, let's make the overflow to hidden. So now have a look, it's now looking super smooth. So we are done with the content reveal animation. Now we will do the second animation, which is hovering over on this single cursor will appear the background image here. But before doing that animation, let me introduce you to one of the best marketplaces for purchasing Elementor kits, which is kitpapa.com. So here on kitpapa.com, you will find different types or different niches websites. For example, if you are looking for a business website or portfolio, agency, food or restaurant website, you will find all the ready kits here on kitpapa.com. You can just browse and go inside any of the kit details. So here within any kit details page, you can read all the details about that kit. Also, if you wanna view the live demo, you can just click here. Also, if you want, you can check the responsiveness. So actually you can pre-decide if you need it or not. Also, if you scroll down here with each of this kit, you will find a video guide. So within few clicks, you can install this kit by yourself. Alright, let's now go back inside Elementor page builder. Now, like I said, we need to add now the animation, like we need to add the background changing animation. But before that, I just want to make sure everything is looking great on responsive view. So to check the responsiveness, just click here on this responsive mode. We know on desktop it's looking perfect. So I'm going to the tablet view here. So on the tablet, it also looks good, but I think let's just select this parent container, this one. Go under its layout tab, and here only on the tablet device I'm making its width to 100%. So right now it looks more clean. And now I wanna go to the mobile view here. So actually we need to do a bit of work on mobile device. So first of all, let's select this inner container, this one, and here first just making its height to 400 pixel. So right now this curve and hover effect is looking great. By the way, you know, on mobile there is no hover, so whenever people tap on this card, they can see the details information here. Also with this one, let's select it, and I'm making its minimum height to 400 pixel. Also with the third one, let's select it and make the minimum height to 400 pixel. Alright, so far everything is looking great, but on the mobile device I don't need this left and right border, so let's select it. Go under style tab, from here open the border. So first of all, I'm just unlinking the width. So here I don't want it on the left and right, but at the top and bottom I'm adding 2 pixel of border. So right now if I minimize it, we can see the real mobile view. So it's looking like it. So far so good. So let's open the bar from left. Also let's close the responsive bar. Now we just need to add the background image changing animation. Okay, now first of all, let's just select their parent container, this one. Always make sure you have selected their parent container, this one, not the child container which is at the front. So make sure you have selected their parent container, this one. Go under its advanced tab. Actually, I just want to go under its style tab, and you may remember we have added the background image from here. So first I want to add an overlay effect with it. So open the background overlay. Now on hover, I just want to add an overlay to black color. So from here I'm adding black. And let's make its opacity to 0.3. Now have a look, if we just hover on this card, it gets more opacity so we can read the text properly. Alright, now with this parent container, go under its advanced tab. Here I want to add a CSS ID. So the CSS ID would be main-parent. If you don't add this ID name, this whole animation won't work. And now I want to add a little bit of JavaScript or jQuery code. Okay, so first of all, let's just click on the Rubik's Cube icon, and here I'm searching for HTML widget. So here you go. You can drag this HTML widget anywhere of the page, because we can only see this HTML widget inside of Elementor page builder. We cannot see it on real browser. Okay, so for now I'm just dragging this HTML widget underneath here in this place. And we need to write the JS code within this field, and you know, I already have written that code for you. Just go to jimfahaddigital.com. So here is the CSS code. Right underneath this code, here it says image changing JS snippet. Let's just copy this snippet from this place. Just copy it, go inside of Elementor page builder and paste the code within this field here. Now I will of course explain you this code, and I'll also show you how you can work with this codes. But before that, I wanna show you one more time how you can make sure you have added all the necessary classes. Okay, so here make sure, here is the parent container, this one. You have added the CSS ID, which is main parent, and then with the first child container, which means this one, we need to add another ID with this. So go under its advanced tab, and here CSS ID, I'm adding the CSS ID which is card-1. And then with the second inner container with this one, let's go under advanced tab. Here I'm adding another CSS ID which is card-2. And with the third one, actually we don't need to add any CSS ID because it would be the default image. So for the moment, to save our work, just click on this update button. And actually we cannot see the background image changing effect instantly because the JavaScript need to load here. So we need to refresh this page first. So just after refreshing the page, have a look now. If I minimize the bar from left side and have a look, initially we can see the curves like this. But now if I hover on the first card, you see we can see a different image at the background. With the second one we can see another different image, and with the third one we can see the default image. So now let me explain the jQuery code so you can understand it properly. Okay, so let's open the bar from left side, and you may remember we have added the JavaScript snippet here. So I'm clicking here to open the code, and let me explain it. It's actually super easy and super basic. So here, first of all, actually these two are variable. This one is the image1 link and this one is the image2 link. And here, just have a look, it's very easily understandable. You may remember we have given this card name as card1. So here I have written card1. When we will hover on card1, this container's background image will be changed to image1 with this. And if we hover out from the card1, it will get the default image. Also, with the second card or second container, we have named it card2. The ID name was card2. So when we will hover on card2, the background image will be changed to image2. And if we hover out, then it will get the default background image. Very simple. And you may see here it says image1 and here it says image2. They are basically getting their image link from this place. Like I said, I have taken this variable image1 and image2, and here is the image link. This is the first image link and this is the second image link. If you wanna change this with your own image, you can just, you just need to remove this image from this place. So I'm removing the image link from this place. And to get any images link, you can just go to your WordPress's media library. So let's say I wanna add this cardio image. So let's just click on this cardio image, and here is the image URL. You can just click here, copy URL to clipboard. Let's now close it and go inside Elementor. So here within the URL, let's just paste the URL. So here if I now hover on the first card, we can see the background image has been changed to the cardio image like this. Now let me show you another thing, because if you follow this you will learn this coding as well. So let's just minimize the bar from left side. Let's say if you have another container here, so I'm just duplicating this one. Okay, so let's say we have 4 containers here and I just wanna name it as boxing. Also with this boxing card, let's select the card and go under advanced tab. Here I wanna give it a ID name, which would be card-3. Okay, so here it says card-3. Now let's go inside of this jQuery code. So here let me explain the code. You see this one is for card1, this one is for card2, and we have taken another ID name which is card3. So I'm just copying this portion. So right after that I'm hitting enter a couple more times to make some space. Let's just paste the code here, and instead of card2, here I wanted to say card3. And also with card3, it won't be image2, it would be image3. But we have written here image3, but we don't have any variable named image3. So let's just create it really quickly. So from here, we can just copy this area, this variable from this place. So right after that, hit enter to make some space, and I'm pasting this variable here once again. So it would be of course image3, and here variable name I'm also changing it to image3. So this should be identical. So it says image3, we can just copy it, and also I'm just double checking here, so I'm pasting it here. So this name and this name should be identical, and here within this URL I'm just removing this image link from this place, as it would be the image for boxing. So go to media library, and here I can see an image for boxing. So open it, and I'm copy this image URL from this place. Let's go inside Elementor, and with this third variable within this URL, I'm just pasting the boxing images link here. So now if we just click on this update to save our work, and let's refresh the page. Now after refreshing the page, have a look here. If we now hover on cardio, we can see the cardio background image. If we hover on lifting, we can see the lifting image. And you remember we have just added the boxing one. So if I now hover on boxing, yeah, we can see the beautiful background image here. And if we hover on yoga, we can see the default yoga image here at the background. And also to make the design synchronized, I want to add a border here in between, and you know how to do it. It's very easy. Just select this container, inner container. Now go under its style tab, and from here open the border, and here let's border type, I'm making it to solid, and I only want to add the border to the right side. So unlink it. Here at the right side I'm adding 2 pixels, and I want to use the same white color. Let's add a bit of transparency like this. And now if I just minimize the bar from left side, it's looking really cool. So I hope you have learned something new today. If you like it, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also press on that notification bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. And if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, which is jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.